In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and publish a product on Gumroad. First, go to Gumroad in your browser. Once you're signed in, head straight to your dashboard so you can see everything related to your account in one place. From the dashboard, open the Products section. This is where all your existing items live and where you'll create a new one. Click on New Product to start the listing. You'll be asked for a name, the type of product, and the price. Choose a name that clearly describes what buyers are getting, select the appropriate type, like a digital product or a course, and set a price that matches the value you're delivering. You can always adjust this later, but it helps to be intentional from the start. When those fields look good, click Next. Now input your description. Aim for a concise summary up top and a detailed breakdown below. Explain what's included, who it's for, any prerequisites, and how the buyer will benefit. Use short paragraphs and scannable language so customers can quickly understand the offer. Add a thumbnail and a cover to make the page visually appealing. The thumbnail is the small image shoppers see first. The cover is the larger banner on your product page. Use clear, high-resolution images, avoid tiny text, and keep the design consistent with your brand. Next, set your product info. This is where you refine details like delivery type, availability, and any additional metadata Gumroad provides. If your product comes in different versions, add variations if applicable. Variations let you offer multiple formats, tiers, or licenses under one listing, each with its own price or description. Before moving on, toggle the necessary settings. Depending on your product, you might enable features like limited quantity, pre-orders, or license keys. Review each switch carefully and turn on only what's relevant so the checkout experience is smooth. Go to the Content section to add the actual files. Upload your zip file that contains everything the buyer needs. Keep your folder structure tidy and your file names clear so customers can navigate easily after download. When everything looks correct, click Publish and you're done. Your product is now live and ready to share. After publishing, revisit the listing to proofread, test the checkout flow, and if needed, refine your images or wording based on early feedback. That's the entire process from start to finish.